There's another one army out the window. Oh, there's two. That's 6 points. BSQ 22K. Oh. And over unbroken lane separation line. Oh, it gives me the finger. Oh, because you broke the law, I get the finger. And he's saying, what did I do wrong? Well, number one, you had your arm out the window. Number two, you allowed your child to put the arm out the window. Number three, you went over the unbroken lane separation line. And number four, you didn't give way to the lane you're moving into. 4 offences. There's another one with the arm out the window. YII7AD.
US President Donald Trump increased tariffs on imports of steel and aluminium from Turkey. Some bank branches are thought to be having difficulty.
Child got the arm out the window again. This would have to be Blacktown area. Blacktown police. Let me see. 3, 6, 8, 11 points so far. The child's still got the arm out the window. RAV4 has still got his arm out the window. We'll go this way. Luxford. There it goes.